Hold on. Ako na. Hold on. Lost in the words that we speak. May nakita ko. Look you. Hold on. I just woke up from a dream. Thoughts mo sa winner. I love Anya. Although, eto, I wish we saw Lexi Love lip sync. Like, nung na-reveal niya yun. Na-reveal niya sa stage. Tapos knowing na abracadabra yung song. She would have ate! Feeling ko din kaya hindi siya nilagay sa top 2 kasi mananalo talaga siya. Like, it's not a justified win if Lexi Love don't win with that outfit. Nag-lip-sync for your life na ba si Lexi? Hindi pa, no? Lip-sync for the win lang. Maganda naman, oy, truch. So, date ako today. Pero, yung mga reveal ni Lexi. Sobrang perfect no outfit niya for Abracadabra. Medyo underwhelmed ako ng very, very light sa lip-sync ni Anya. Medyo nag-expect ko lang. Siguro hindi na ako sanay ng lip-sync for the crown na walang reveal. And feeling ko, the song calls for it. Like, it's Lady Gaga. Alam mo yun? So, when may reveal, i-reveal. Kaya akala ko din Jewel's will win. Pero, deserve din ni Anya, guys. Like, with 4 wins under her belt, deserve din. Okay, happy Saturday to you. Congratulations to your graduations. Wow! Walang transfer lip liner yan. Ano yung lip tint? Oh my God, walang transfer. Get ready with me. Tiny for All-Stars 1. Huh? Pag nag-all-stars ako, uuwi ako ng Marinduque para kumuha ng Philippines. Outfit. Moriones Festival will be celebrated. So, I'm here in Marinduque right now. Kaya kung mahangin, sorry kasi nakatapat sa Cagayan fan. Sobrang init guys. Sobrang init. Manyaka ako today kasi I'm gonna be meeting some of my friends from here. So excited. Kasi I'm gonna go to yung capital town where I'm gonna go. And apparently I'm missing a lot of good food and good places. So good thing my friend has a car, I think. So, I'm so excited. Tapos crush ko pa siya. Diba? Kasama ng crush mo. Kasama. Pero it's a platonic friendship. It's more important. Keep it up, Kay. Keep it up. Malayo pa ang lalakbay mo. Naglakbay ko lang. Maya-maya naman. Ayan na siya, guys. Nag-comment na siya. Yeah, I know mainit pa. I just want to get done with it. Tsaka hindi naman ako nahuhulas kasi. So, I'm just hungry. Lib, I'm hungry na. It's tiny! But I watch the lights. Yeah, you should. As you should. Hindi mo kaya pumasok ng live time. No! It's a lot of drama. Oh my God. No. That's a lot of explaining to do with the people up in here. Just message me. Nagugutom ako. Stay fresh FX. Hi! Oh my God, your SFX are so amazing. Gusto ko I wanna try it, the special effects. I mean, I've done it before, pero not with actual prosthetics, Happy Black Saturday. Happy today because I'm going somewhere. Mama Gab, kamusta ang galera? Lumuwag ka ba? Mapaproud ba ako sa'yo? Abracadabra! Ang magmahal, abracadabra, ang magmahal. Can I sponsor you in my summer? What? Sure. What will we do though? Natulog lang naman ito. Oh my god, you're so disappointing. Okay. Ba? Ano ba? Oh my god. Hair. I only do haircuts. Oh, I think we can retouch. Siguro wig. What if wig? You know my wife. Your wife? Wait lang guys.
Hello you guys, James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, I am in the back.
Oh, kaya stay fresh. Yeah, I know your wife. Yeah. I've been with her nakapag we partied together back in 21. I never got the chance to do her makeup pa. Dahil isang busy. Babae. Miss yun na. Ano tayong ganap so far? Ay, baka meron pa. Sa May. I will message you if ever. Kung ano man siya. Can I do your makeup? You're gonna do my special effects makeup. Oh my god. Sure. Kleng! Are you here? Dito ka ba? Umuwi ka ba? Like me? Ay, umuwi ako. Sing for me a sin for melody. Should show in Guam. You should book me to show in Guam. I'd love to. She's dead. You got visa to go to Guam? I don't know. No, I don't have. I have a passport. You will book me. Is that real? Are there like drag bars in Guam? Oh, work. The show is mid. Oh. In the Philippines, the drag queens are it. Abracadabra. I know. Philippines is next level in everything. Filipinos are so excellent. Like what? How are you so excellent? Venus with Venus who from Drag Race ano, Canada. What is it? Ha! Ano na-go na? Sabi sa amin ni Sophie, sasali daw siya sa Drag Race season 4. Dapat! Yes, I know I won. The makeup artist, I won. No, I mean, I were talking about the same person. I don't know. Abracadabra, abracadabra. From where? I don't know that flag. I'm a bit stupid. A bit. Ha? Saan ka ngayon? Nasa probinsya po ng Marinduque. This is where I was born. Sing for me, you sing. For melody. Oh. Ate! Kamusta na? Kamusta dyan? Oh. Kamusta namin kayo? Ate? Ate? What's your favorite color? What's my favorite color? Pink. I love pink. Pink. Teka, ang pink. Ate, hanggang Tuesday, sabay ako kay Papa pabalik ng kay Papa Rico. Pabalik ng maroon. Actually, alam mo, ang dami kong maroon. Ang ganda niya kasi sa skin color. Pero, my favorite color is pink. Marami rin akong pink outfits. My promo was pink. Best drag ko is pink. Premiere outfit ko is pink. Finale party outfit ko is pink. Maroon, may mga gown ako. Maroon na gown. Meron ako maroon na reveal. Maroon na bodysuit yung lechon. Yeah. Abracadabra, mama. Ito ako. Ang tagal nung kasama ko. Ito yung soup. So for init na hapon. Gusto ko ng halo-halo. Gusto ko ng halo-halo ng kapitbahay namin na sobrang ganda. Oh my God. Hindi na kahuba. Oh my God. It's harap ko. Ay, sorry guys. Be, sarap ko naman. Cha! Sayang di kami naka... Yes, next year. Sana may additional na kayo next year. Sana. Pero lang yan ate, sana all nasa Palawan. Dapat may ano ko eh, may show kami sa Palawan, hindi natuloy. Ng March. Ito nga Maritas. Yung lips ko. Sure na maganda talaga dun. So, puntahan yung pinagsyutan ng Incognito. Ang ganda, grabe. Kaka-evade. Ingatan mo pag-ibig ng idlip muna ako guys. Ilabas mo si Mrs. Okay, nasaan ba siya? Nasa Marinduque po ako, si Mother ay nasa nasa Mandaluyong. Wala, ang init na cellphone mo. Bugs. I'm gorgeous. Oh my God, the phone is hot. Kumbaga parang gusto ko sabihin the phone is lava. Guys, I'm gonna end this live because my phone is overheating. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. As in, ang init ko. I will take a look from my heart.